All right, if you look real close, you can see about 200 blue jays in this photo. Guess where Hutch was? That's right, Jamestown, 8th grade science. It was a lot of fun talking about the weather with you today. Thanks so much, and a lot of weather to talk about tonight. Get out and enjoy, finish up those outdoor tasks, and be prepared for some snow in the forecast tomorrow. Right now, southeast winds a 9-mile-per-hour. A little bit of high cloudiness drifting overhead, still in the 50s across eastern North Dakota, not far from 60 in Sisseton, 50 in Detroit Lakes, and cooler 40s as we expected yesterday in north central portions of Minnesota, with a few more clouds there throughout the day. Here are those clouds. They're building here as well, mainly of the high variety, but the moisture already on its way. So our storm system is starting to take shape. The Alberta Clipper is getting ready to do some clipping. Here is your hour-by-hour forecast as we head through the evening. Can't rule out a sprinkle or two northwest Minnesota. The wind will increase a little bit, as will the clouds to the north, but quiet for this evening. Overnight, things change in a big way along the international border. You can see by daybreak already snow falling. Not really accumulating a lot yet, but the winds will be quite gusty. 25 to 40 miles per hour already first thing in the morning up north. Temperatures, 40s not bad to start, but this cold pool of air is really going to rapidly move south. Snow hitting the Grand Forks area maybe in the 10 o'clock hour, moving through Fargo around the midday hour and into Lakes Country, and it snows throughout the day, with almost everyone getting gusty winds over 50 miles per hour at times in open country. Lakes Country, the wind will be reduced a little bit thanks to the trees out there. Temperatures in the 30s, blustery conditions, zero visibilities, and we could see some blizzard conditions in a few counties depending on where the bands of snow and wind, if they're combined at the same time. Could be dangerous travel out there, so make sure you stay up to date with the latest in this forecast. As we go toward the 10 o'clock hour, things do start drying up from northwest to southeast, but snow and wind continue into the forecast through the overnight. Most of us will be snow-free in the morning, but it will be shifting south and east toward the Twin Cities. Now, on a line from the Langdon area through the central Red River Valley into Otter Tail County and northeast of there, a solid amount of 1 to 3 inches expected. The ground is warm, but so much cold air and wind is coming. We'll likely see some accumulations even in these areas. Hardly anything in southeast North Dakota. 3 to 5 or 6 inches across northwest Minnesota, with isolated amounts up to 8 possible. You folks may need the shovels and snow blowers. The rest of us, a taste of winter, and all of us should really be cautious and be prepared to change travel plans, particularly Thursday late into Friday. Flatline those temperatures. We'll see them warmest early in the day, dropping into the 30s the rest of the day. Northwest winds gusting to 50 or 55 miles per hour in Fargo, and isolated 60 mile per hour to gusts not out of the question. 30s for everybody. Snow and wind across the board. Another beautiful sunset. This one uploaded by Barbara Wyman. Thank you for doing that. That tree naked of leaves right now. As we take a look at the forecast, still some wind, but it decreases throughout the day. Most of the snow will be exiting our easternmost counties. A cool day with a temperature in the low 40s. We warm up a bit on Sunday, near 50 degrees. Not hot, but about average for this time of the year. And then All Hallows Eve. Monday night, another weather maker makes its way through, so the ghosts and goblins, well, this is what you can plan for. Trick-or-treating time temperatures, low 30s. Enough wind to make it feel like it's in the teens and 20s. Can't rule out a sprinkle or flurry.
Is he dancing, or is that a slippery sidewalk?
You showed him that dance. I saw you guys working on it there.
I think that's in front of your house, isn't it?
It might be.
I mean,
You didn't see the address, did you?
No,
okay,
no,
yeah,
we just know.